Stephon Scott.
Hi Joel, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Very nice to see you again.
No, it's just very interesting that you are one of the stars of this segment because you have at least about 3 or 4 of your signature cocktails.
I'm very proud.
And very proud. Yeah. So very good. We're so glad that we were able to pull something like this off, and thank you very much.
It's wonderful.
Thank you very much for being part of the celebration.
Not a problem.
Yeah. So you are going to start us off, Stephon, with a cocktail this morning.
Yes.
We are privileged to start this week on a Cup of Joe and have the 2016 Soca Monarch with us.
What a better way to start.
Voice is with us this morning.
Right.
And cheers to life, you're making a cocktail for him this morning.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so what are you doing for him?
All right, I'm going to make a very simple cocktail. The name of the cocktail is Winner. All right, so...
You just came up with that?
No, I didn't. It took time at home, you study and you... Get a proper name for the... Winner.
Right? You can sing this song?
Yeah. Are you going to help me?
No.
Why not?
No. Let's focus on the cocktail.
You're going to use
Not when it comes to singing. CIROC?
Yes, CIROC is the perfect vodka for celebrations.
Very well.
And as the cocktail's name, Winner, have to use CIROC.
CIROC is a winner.
Is a winner.
CIROC is a winner. You just
I
came
know
up
you
with
enjoy
that.
CIROC. So you're going to use 4 ounces of CIROC vodka. See the fancy jigger? Joel, I find one of these days you gotta make a cocktail for me, you know, Joel.
One of these days. I'm not
See,
brave
a
enough yet,
cookbook.
though.
So when the cocktail book coming out?
A separate cocktail book.
Separate cocktail book? No, it's your creations.
My creations?
Yeah.
Give us some time.
We're gonna use the exact same amount of fresh orange juice.
That's fresh orange juice.
Yeah. So you're gonna use 4 ounces of fresh orange juice.
Is this a screwdriver?
No, it's not a screwdriver. Joel, you know your cocktails, man.
Vodka orange juice.
Vodka orange juice. This has a little twist to it.
Okay.
What you're gonna do now, you're gonna just chill this down. Add ice to our glass here also.
That's the glass the cocktail is going in?
Yes.
A big cocktail glass?
Big cocktail glass. It's for a big singer and a
Yeah,
big soda.
singer. Voice blow them away, they're saying.
Correct.
Blow them away.
You know I wrote that song, right? Now you're gonna shit.
Do what you do best, shit. The famous shake, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
What you're gonna do now is add some grenadine syrup.
Grenadine syrup?
Yes.
That's sweet.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're gonna strain our cocktail. Get that wonderful color there.
Yeah, I like the color.
What you're gonna do now is top with some lemon lime soda. And to the top of this, you're gonna add some blue curacao.
Feeling colorful this morning, right?
Yeah.
You're feeling colorful. That's
Add our straw.
fantastic color. Wow.
And for garnish, just a simple orange wheel. And there you have it, Joel. Winner.
You know, Stephon Scott, you never seem to amaze me. I'm always amazed. You really pull some stuff out of the hat. That's fantastic.
Right. Yeah.
What a way to start this morning, folks. The winner. Created by our very own master mixologist, Stephon Scott. Voice will hopefully enjoy that a little later when he jumps on set with me, as we will share a cup with him this morning and we will have some time. Hey, Stephon Scott.